So friends, in earlier session, as we told you that in current session, we are going to give you all a test exercise. So friends, coming to English lesson 3, slide 2, under the kinds of article, friends, as you were all requested earlier to be prepared for test exercise in earlier session, which is based on rule 6 to rule 13, studied in the earlier session. Here a test exercise for you all, and please try to solve the test exercise with your own efforts to become fluent and perfect in English language. तो दोस्तों, जैसे कि पहले सत्र में हमने कहा था, आप सभी से अनुरोध किया गया था कि पहले सत्र में टेस्ट एक्सरसाइज के लिए तैयार रहे, जो कि पिछले सत्र में पढ़े गए नियम 6 से नियम 13 पर आधारित है। यहाँ आप सभी के लिए एक टेस्ट एक्सरसाइज है, और कृपया अंग्रेजी भाषा में धारा प्रवाह और परिपूर्ण बनने के अपने प्रयासों से टेस्ट एक्सरसाइज को हल करने का प्रयास करें। So friends, we are moving to our next slide, slide number 3. We are going to take a test exercise. Okay, we move to our next slide, slide number 3. So friends, welcome to English lesson 3, test exercise 1. Correct the following sentences. So friend, here, as we told earlier, we studied kinds of article under rule 6 to 13. So based on those rules 6 to 13, here is a test exercise. So according to our understanding, knowledge and study about the rule 6 to 13, the sentences are given and we have to correct them according to those principles said in rule 6 to rule 13. So here are total 1 number to 12 number sentences have given, and each sentence there is a mistake about the article placed. So we have to correct those sentences with the article applied in the sentence. Sentence number 1, I have never gone to such a place. Uh, Test exercise number 2, a such accident never occurred before. Test exercise number 3, it gave us such rude shock. So friends, here are number 1 to number 12 sentences, and we have to correct the sentences and its article. So friends, for the benefits of you all, answers are given below, where the correct the answers given which will be applicable to all these 1 to 12 sentences one by one. So please try to solve this exercise on your own. So you will be able to understand and become perfect in English language about the kinds of article to be used accordingly based on rule 6 to rule 613. So now we move to next slide, slide number 4. So friends, in English lesson 3, slide 4, earlier test exercise which was given, the same is being continued here. Now remaining sentences 13 to sentence 24 are given here, and same as we have done earlier, the correcting the sentences, the same way we have to do here also. In each sentences, the a articles used and its positions are not correct, and we have to recorrect it. So for all these sentences 13 to 24, answers are given below for your ready reference. So please try to solve on your own, friends, so you will be able to learn English language very easily in a perfect manner. So try to solve it on your own. So we move to our next slide, slide number 4. Slide number 5. So friends, in English lesson 3, slide 5, this exercise is an exercise in revision. Tell whether the use of article a or oblique an in the following sentences is right or wrong. If wrong, then correct it. नीचे बताए गए निम्नलिखित वाक्यों में ए या ऑब्लिक एन का प्रयोग सही है या गलत है। इसे अगर गलत है तो आप उसे सुधारने की कोशिश करो, उसे सुधारो। So friends, for your convenience, we have given in bracket in front of each sentences its correctness. So we have written correct in front of every sentence where it is right. If it is not right, then the correct sentence is given below under the same one to make you understand the correctness of English language. So please go through this exercise, and here are sentences 1 to 7, and try to uh, learn it, the applicability of article a oblique an in each sentences. So now we move to our next slide, slide number 5, where this same exercise is being continued. So we move to our next slide, slide number 6. So friends, as earlier we told you about the exercise revision exercise is being continued here for your practice. In English lesson 3, slide number 6. Here are sentence number 8 to sentence number 26, where if the sentence is wrong, the same is mentioned in the bracket in front of each sentences. And if the sentence is correct, then the correct word is uh, placed in front of each sentences. And for a wrong sentence, we have given the alternative correct sentence below the under the same sentence. So friends, so try to read and understand each sentence carefully, and you will be able to understand the basics of rule 6 to rule 13, which I've said about the articles applicable in English language. So friends, try to read this sentence and understand them correctly in perfect manner. So we end our session here only, and we are going to start a new session tomorrow with new article in articles D. So we meet you in our next session tomorrow. Thank you all. Thank you. Friends, here is a sincere request to you all. If you like it, press like button. If you like this educational channel, please subscribe it to receive everyday video. And also we request you to share these videos to your nearer and dearer one, family, friends, and your colleagues. We hope you are enjoying these videos with correct way of learning English language. Thank you all. Please like the hit button. Once again, request you to subscribe and share it with all. Thank you. Thank you all.